Are you turning 65 soon or already on Medicare and wondering if you're making the right choices? Hi, I'm Joe Alexander, an independent insurance broker with Fortress Financial Solutions. I'd like to personally invite you to a free 1-hour educational Medicare workshop right here in Boca Raton at Gallagher's Steakhouse. We'll be hosting this event on 2 convenient dates, May 16th and May 23rd. During this session, we'll focus on Medicare and cover the topics that matter most, including understanding Medicare Parts A, B, C, and D, the common mistakes people make when enrolling, and how to review your current coverage to make sure it still fits your needs. You'll also have the opportunity to ask questions and get clear answers from a purely educational perspective. This event is completely free with no obligation and no sales presentation. The goal is simply to provide straightforward information so you can better understand your Medicare options. If you live in Boca Raton or the surrounding area, I invite you to join us. Space is limited, so be sure to reserve your seat today. I look forward to meeting you and helping answer your Medicare questions.